Hey, everybody. My name is Mat Kanan. I work at Oregon State Athletics in our fundraising office, and we use ThankView in a variety of ways, obviously, to steward our donors, but we've also started using it to solicit our donors for annual fund gifts. And those efforts have performed higher in terms of open rates, click rates, and donations than our normal email service providers. So that's a phenomenal way for us to use it, and we're going to continue to do so. From a stewardship standpoint, obviously with everything going on, we're not in the office, so our weekly gift acknowledgments, we're not able to send out postcards for our annual fund gifts. So we've pivoted everything to the ThankView platform, and we send out weekly thank yous to anybody that's given an annual fund gift, no matter the dollar amount. We also use it for specific project stewardship as well. And the biggest thing that we've done, which I think is the most fun, is we've moved our birthday card that we used to send hard copies of and sign little notes into. We've moved that digitally and had our creative team create an animated digital birthday card. So now we can send those out not only during their birthday month, but they'll receive it on their actual birthday, which is an improvement from what we've been doing and just trying to get it to them during the month of their birthday. So various ways that we use ThankView, and we will continue to use ThankView to push the envelope in terms of stewardship and solicitation. So love the partnership between Evertrue and ThankView. It's only going to make us better. And as for the singing, Brent and JD, probably keep your day jobs. I think you're good there. I'm definitely not going to sing. That's not in my wheelhouse. But just again, want to thank everybody at ThankView and Evertrue for all you do to help us tell our donors how much they mean to us. So be well and go Bees.